Visitors to Expo 2020 Dubai can explore Africa's rich and diverse culture through its cuisine at the world's first all-African food hall, Alki Boulan.
Tasty treats at Alki Boulan range from black-eyed pea dips with plantain chips to ostrich sliders.
Alki Boulan curator, Chef Alexander Smalls, invited me to sample his favourite dish, oxtail fried rice.
Chef Alexander, can you tell us what we're cooking today?
Well, I'm very excited to make the oxtail fried rice. I mean, I love fried rice. And fried rice is one of those feel-good kind of dishes. You just clean out the refrigerator and you make something wonderful. But I do have a plan. So this dish is oxtail rice, and we start with the oxtails that have been, wonderfully taken off the tail and deboned, and they're right here for us. And then next we have the rice, a white rice, a jasmine rice. Then we have a black rice, which is a lot firmer. And I like to mix the two because really African food is all about textures,
Well, I am looking forward to trying this, so let's get cooking.
There's really no special order. I do, however, like to start with my oxtail because I like to render the meat and the fat of the meat into the dish. All right, so normally I would put in my rice. But I've decided that I want my collard greens to have a little more wilt. So I'm putting them in. Now I want to add a little of my peppers, my cumin, because I want this to be nice and spicy before the rice joins it all. Next step, the rice. This, for me, is the Afro-Asian influence, which comes from the enslaved that were in China that dates back to the 1500s. Also, the importance of rice in Chinese and African cooking. It's a mainstay. So you see we have this really gorgeous color coming together here. All right. So next I'm going to add the Kenyan green beans. Last but not least, of scallions. And to finish it all off, we have the light soy sauce. That's going to bring that extra flavor. Sizzle the pan, so all that steam will go in there and lift the flavor. Lovely.
So, Chef Alexander, we're now ready to plate up. Talk me through the process.
Well, it's quite simple at this point. We have our wonderful oxtail rice here in our bowl. So here I have a soft boiled egg that I will cut in half. Then we're going to take a little bit of smoked paprika.
My favorite.
And we're going to drip and drip. And now we'll take some of our coriander, fresh coriander, and sprinkle it around the dish for a nice finish. And flavor. Oh, lovely, lovely flavor.
Oh, I love coriander. It's aromatic, packed full of flavour, and it has as much history as it has flavour. So it's an absolute honour to share your food with you today.
Thank
you
you
so much, Chef Alexander. Thank you.
Appreciate it.